Okay, very little talking on this video, just gonna fly. This is my 90mm free wing F-15, my own custom setup. Talked about it in the other video. I'll put it in the description, or you can always ask questions, but I am just gonna fly.
Takeoff flaps, timer clear.
Enjoy.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Time remaining 1 minute. Time expired. Gear down. Landing flaps.
That's it. I had some weird wind over there and had to
Flaps out.
get on the throttle pretty hard. That's why I cut my final approach pretty short, because the wind was doing something funky. I feel like doing something weird, so I cut the approach big time.
1 minute over.
Normally it's much longer and a little bit less severe, but mess up my fan. So anyway, like that. Anyway, didn't have to deal with that weird rotor that happens at the end of the runway, so that's why I cut my approach a lot, made it a lot shorter. Fun plane, my own custom setup, 200 amp red brick ESC, 4092 Leopard motor in the bigger 8S free wing housing. It's a little different than the regular one that they sell. Has, I think, 8 or 9 stators. And then the stock free wing 12 blade fan. And then the battery that I'm using, my favorite, is a 6S 30C 6200. As you can see, even though it's 30C, it still works really good. As I always say, you don't always go by the C, you go by the actual discharge rate. And it's over 180 amps for this pack. But my continuous at full is somewhere less than 140, and I never use full, but other than the passes. So half throttle, this thing only pulls 40 amps. So there's no point in going crazy high C, unless you want to. If you want to, that's fine. I just choose not to, and this is an example of what you can do if you don't go for high C. So anyway, works great. A lot of people are opting for 8S. I just use this 1730 kV on 6S. It's a long motor, so I'm not even stressing the motor out at all, and I'm able to get 8S performance. I mean, it climbs pretty much, it's almost higher than I can see it. So, pretty good. And I said no talking, but I talked anyway, but it's information you guys want anyway. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the flight. There she is. A little bit of wear now, so I'm gonna have to do some touch-up paint, but change the nose. Look at the nose. We'll change all that.